Yo, right? The big banks are straight up robbing you blind. The average American has $8,000, $12,000 sitting in a savings account earning, wait for it, 0.01%. That's $1 a year. One single dollar. Meanwhile, there are FDIC-insured accounts paying 5.00% to 5.55% right now in November 2025, literally 500 to 550 times more. By the end of this video, I'm handing you the exact top 12 accounts that are paying the highest rates in America today, plus the one secret account that's paying 5.55% that 99% of people still don't know about. If you got even $5,000 parked in a trash bank, you're about to make an extra $250, $300 this year doing literally nothing. Smash the LIKE button if you're tired of getting screwed by Chase and Bank of America, and let's get this money. Welcome back, money savers. What's good, fam? It's your boy on Saving Money, the channel that turns broke habits into bank. Today, we're doing the ultimate high-yield savings account ranking, updated for November 18th, 2025. I spent 47 hours this month refreshing rates, reading fine print, and moving my own money so you don't have to. We're talking real rates, no teaser B.S, no minimums that trap you, and I'll even show you how to get $200, $500 in free bonuses just for opening an account. Stick around till number 1 because it's paying 5.55% and it's gonna blow your mind. Number 1. Why 99% of Americans are getting robbed right now. Quick math on screen. $10,000 at Chase Buffet, 0.01% gives $1 year. $10,000 at 5.30% gives $530 plus year. That's $529 free dollars for doing nothing different. That's a round-trip flight, new iPhone money, or straight to your Roth IRA. Number 2. The 4 types of savings accounts in 2025 explained simple. 1. Traditional big bank savings, 0.01 to 0.45% trash. 2. High-yield savings accounts, online banks, 4.50 to 5.55%. 3. Rewards checking, yes, checking up to 6.00% on small balances. 4. Treasury money market funds, the I'm fancy but safe option. Number 3. Number 1, 2. Ally Bank, still solid but not king anymore rate. 4.60% APY pros, no fees. Buckets feature 24/7 support. Cons. Rate dropped twice in coming year's bonus. None right now, good for beginners, but we can do better. Number 4. Number 11, Capital One, 360 performance savings rate. 4.60% APY pros, no minimum. Great APP physical cafes if you like humans bonus, up to $1,500 if you got big money. Link in description. Still beats brick and mortar, but mid-tier now. Number 5. Number 10, SoFi checking and savings, the bonus beast rate. 4.30% APY on savings with direct deposit bonus. $300 instant when you direct deposit $5,000 real talk. Open this just for the $300 free, then move to higher rates later. Number 6. Number 9. American Express High Yield Savings Rate. 4.65% APY Pros. Amex brand equals trust. No fees, cons, no ATM card, transfers take 1 to 3 days. Perfect set it and forget it account. Number 7. Number 8. Discover Online Savings Rate. 4.70% APY bonus, sometimes $150, $200. Check link below. Pros. Great customer service. Been doing this forever solid, but not top 5 anymore. Number 8. Number 7. Marcus by Goldman Sachs Rate. 4.80% APY bonus. 1%. Extra for 3 months if you use my referral 5.80% temp. They invented high-yield savings back in the day. Still strong. Number 9. Number 6. CIT Bank Platinum Savings Rate. 5.00% APY with $5,000 plus balance drops to 4.70%. Under $5,000, one of the few that still tears up instead of down. Number 10. Number 5. Brio Direct, the hidden gem rate. 5.15% APY from a real bank you never heard of, but 100% FDIC, no minimum, no fees. Legit sleeper pick.
Number 11. Number 4. UFB, Direct Portfolio Money Market Rate. 5.25% includes free ATM card plus check writing, basically a checking account, paying savings rates. Insane. Number 12. Number 3. My Banking Direct, rate, 5.35% APY, owned by New York Community Bank, $500 minimum to open, 10 no rules. Been crushing the game all in coming years. Number 13. Number 2. Presidential Bank Advantage Money Market Rate. 5.41% $25K minimum for max rate, but 5.12% even at $1,000. Old school bank that decided to go rogue with rates. Number 14. Number 1. The King. Western Alliance Bank via Raisin Platform. Rate, 5.55% APY as of November 18, 2025. FDIC insured, no minimum, no fees. This is the one nobody talks about because they don't advertise. $10,000 here equals $555. Year, $50,000 equals $2,775. Year number 15. Bonus number 1. Treasury bills and ETFs, the 5.3 to 5.4%, no state tax hack. Buy 4-week T-bills gives 5.32% right now, or SGOV bill ETF gives same yield, liquid daily. 0 state income tax equals worth 5.7 to 6.0% for high earners. Number 16. Bonus number 2 rewards checking accounts that beat savings EvoMax by Evo Bank 6.00% on up to $15K. Fitness Bank, 5.5%. If you walk 10K steps, day yes. Really, stack these for your emergency fund. Number 17. How to ladder your cash in coming years pro strategy. Tier 1, 3 to 6 months expenses, high yield savings top tris. Abo. Tier 2, 6 to 18 months gives 3 to 12 months CDs at 5.25 to 5.50%. Tier 3, long money gives treasury bonds or index funds. Number 18. The free money bonus hunting strategy. Current best bonuses. November 2025, Sophie $300, CD, $500, Chase, private client $3,000 if you got $150,000 plus. I drop updated bonus list every month, subscribe so you don't miss. Number 19. Red flags accounts to run from. Teaser rates that drop after 3 months. Accounts with balance caps only pay high rate on first $1,000 anything requiring you keep $25,000 plus. Just to avoid fees. Number 20. How the rich actually store their cash. They don't use one account. They use 5 to 10. Example, rich person stack, Raisin 5.55%. Treasury Direct, Max Minderest, auto moves your money to highest rate daily. Fidelity SP, 7-day yield, 5.01%. Number 21. What happens when the Fed cuts rates? Coming year outlook rates will probably drop to 4 to 4.5% by mid-2026. Lock in 5% plus CDs now, while you can. Number 22. Real viewer wins, from the comments. Moved $38,000 from Chase Gives, made $1,900 this year instead of $3, got $300 bonus from Sophia, plus 5.25% on $12,000 equals basically made $930 free. Your turn next. Your 7-day cash makeover challenge. Here's your homework. Legends. 1. Take a screenshot of your current savings rate. 2. Open one account from the top 5 today, links plus, bonuses below. 3. Move at least $1,000 over. 4. Drop in the comments what rate you were getting versus what you're getting now. I read every single one. If this video saved you even $100 this year, you owe me a like and subscribe. Hit the bell. I drop a new rate update video every single month. Stop letting the banks use your money to buy yachts. Time to get paid. Peace out, money savers. Go move that money today. Top 3 accounts flashing. Subscribe button. I moved my money poll. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.